Test alert.
My main goal is to...
This is a test of the North.
Flood watch to include portions of New Jersey and southeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas in New Jersey: eastern Monmouth, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Somerset, and western Monmouth. In southeast Pennsylvania, upper Bucks and western Montgomery. Through this evening, slow-moving showers and thunderstorms are expected in the region today. Locally, heavy downpours are anticipated. Rainfall amounts as high as 2 to 4 inches are possible in a short amount of time. The ground remains saturated and streams and creeks are running high. As a result, much of the area is more susceptible to flooding than usual. The heavy rain will result in flooding of roadways and areas of poor drainage, as well as small streams and creeks. A flash flood watch means that there is the potential for flash flooding, which can be life-threatening. Heavy rain is expected to occur over a short period of time. Rapidly rising flood waters may quickly inundate roadways and areas of poor drainage. Streams and creeks could leave their banks, flooding nearby properties. Please monitor the forecast, especially if you live in a location that is prone to flooding. Be prepared to take action if a flash flood warning is issued for your area. The third zone forecast for the New York City beaches. Please check.
Oh, good morning, you too, Mount Holly. How the f*** are you doing?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Mercer County, southern Somerset County, central Middlesex County, central Bucks County, and southeastern Pennsylvania until 12:30 p.m. At 8:37 a.m., Doppler radar and automated gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain has already fallen. Southeast Pennsylvania flash flooding is ongoing or expected in western Pennsylvania and central New Jersey. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms, radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other bridges and low-lying areas. Some locations that could experience flooding include Brunswick, South Brunswick, North Brunswick, Middlesex, Princeton, Mound Brook, Mandan, Williamstown, Jamesburg, Cranberry, Kennington, New Hope, Hopewell, Rockville, and Millstone. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warm area. Protecting yourself from any threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For the following counties: Hunterdon, Middlesex, and Somerset.
I bet Upton just issued a flash flood warning.
New York has issued a flash flood warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, southeastern Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Richmond County in southeastern New York, till 11:15 County in northeastern 9:14 a.m. And Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to be. For, what drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Jersey City, Elizabeth,
Plainfield, Linden, Top Hill, Clark, Union, Tompkinsville, Port Richmond, Westfield, Broadway, Scotch Plains, Cranford, and Hillside.
Oh, Matt's under
Additional
this.
rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement and to the following to do so safely. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the Warren area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. A flash flood warning has been issued by the following counties: Essex, Hudson, and Staten Island, New York.
Alright, let's put this guy back in here. Alright, so I don't know if Fluddz is gonna do the weekly test now. They said that they were gonna do it, well, yesterday they said they were gonna do it today around 11. But with the flash flood warning that's in effect, I don't even know if they're gonna do it. So that's great.
Southeastern Morris County, northeastern Somerset County, northeastern Middlesex County, until 2 p.m. At 10:01 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms started to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding caused thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that could experience flooding include Somerville, Carteret, Madison, Middlesex, Boundbrook, Chatham, Mendon, Peacock and Gladstone, Far Hills, Colonia, Martinsville, Millington, Basking Ridge, Woodbridge, South Plainfield, North Plainfield, Bernardsville, Newland, Watchung, and Islip. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. Turn around
You mother.
when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2 p.m. to the following counties: Morris County, Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset.
Ugh. Looks like WNJN's pulling a sneaky on me.
The National Weather Service in New York has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Nassau County in southeastern New York until 1 p.m. At 10:52 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Rock Hill, Richmond, English, flooding caused by thunderstorms, Port Range, East Hills, and
Just started.